Hey guys, Jeff Clare, Man Seeks Adventure here outside of Nashville, Tennessee. Heard you guys talking about that private jet that used to be formerly run by Playboy. We're looking for the new Man Seeks Adventure plane. Here's the thought. What do you think? I think that the guys back in the studio would appreciate luxury travel. Let's go inside and take a look.
Hey guys, Sam Wolf with Contour Aviation out of Nashville, Tennessee, standing in front of our Challenger 605. This is the perfect airplane for Man Seeks Adventure. It goes 0.8 Mach, 4,000 nautical miles, coast to coast, overseas, anywhere in the world you want. It's perfect for celebrities, musicians, sports stars, businessmen, you name it, or Man Seeks Adventure. They sell for $10 to $12 million. Give me a call, we'll make it happen.
Guys, is this not amazing? This is perfect for Man Seeks Adventure. We may have to check into our finances to see if we can get this, but I'm sure we can work something out. You guys can stay back in the studio, but I'm out here living this. I can't wait to take this for a spin this afternoon. They say I can fly it. I have no experience. Unbelievable. These things fly themselves.
By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?
Hey guys, inaugural flight, Man Seeks Adventure, private jet. Looking forward to many more adventures ahead. Man, let's go. You guys ready?